Well, it's been a wonderful experience. Travel across the world just to come visit Omni Academy. To find that the knowledge here is incredible. The self-confidence that Oscar is helping Omnix to build is incredible. His knowledge is superb. The food here is something else. I wish I will gain as many ES points as pounds during this camp. And well, I came here with a basic knowledge after following Oscar's classes in video. And well, right now I feel myself capable of pulling my own charts, finding formations, pulling my own trend lines, and well, we're not here to forecast the future, but to know where the market is heading. And that's what I really learned here in these 4 days. So, well, that's it. And I really strongly suggest anybody who wants to live on trading, or at least who wants to learn how to trade successfully, to take OMNICAMP. Thank you.